Hello everybody, it's Tom and Jerry, Fan64 here. It's now time to do a movie review to A Nightmare on Elm Street 3 Dream Warriors. This is the 1987 sequel to the 1985 movie A Nightmare on Elm Street 2, Freddy's Revenge. And sorry if I sound upset. I have so much to say about this movie, but I'm not going to spoil it, but it does get sad at the end, just to let you guys know. I'm not going to spoil the ending. You're going to have to watch the movie for yourself, but there is an emotional factor of this movie. So yeah, I'm not going to spoil what happens at the end, but I'll say it is definitely tragic. So yeah, this is probably the most quotable. This is probably my favorite sequel of the Nightmare on Elm Street. This is my second favorite movie in the series. And my number one is the original, and then number 3 would have to be Freddy vs. Jason. This is definitely better than the second one. No, I'm not saying the second film was bad, but the second film was kind of weird, some way. But this one is definitely the most quotable, and has one of the funniest lines by Freddy Krueger when he says, "Welcome to prime time." I'm not going to say the rest of it because he does say the B word, but it's one of my favorite lines of the Nightmare on Elm Street movie series. Yeah, this was a great, refreshing movie. And Heather Langenkamp was great as Nancy Thompson. Nancy Thompson is probably one of my favorite Final Girls. My number 2 is Sidney Prescott, and my number 1 is Laurie Strode. So yeah, this is a great movie. So yeah, I do hope to get I used to have the first Nightmare on Elm Street on VHS, but I decided to get rid of it. So this was a great movie. So yeah, I'm going to give A Nightmare on Elm Street 3 Dream Warriors a 10 out of 10 stars and an A-. This is definitely better than the abysmal 2010 remake, which I actually used to think was a guilty pleasure. Now I'm starting to think it's a really bad movie. So yeah, I did change my opinion on The Nightmare on Elm Street, the remake. I now think it's abysmal. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to give the third Nightmare on Elm Street movie, Dream Warriors, a 10 out of 10 stars and an A-. If you guys haven't seen this movie, and if you're a fan of the franchise of A Nightmare on Elm Street, this is a great one. So yeah, that is it for my review to the movie A Nightmare on Elm Street 3, The Dream Warriors, and I will be reviewing 4, 5, and Freddy's Dead tomorrow. So I will be reviewing those tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review to the Nightmare on Elm Street 3, The Dream Warriors, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everybody. Adios.